Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Technocrat, and I'm super excited to have you here. On this channel, you can expect reviews of the newest smartphones, laptops, and tech devices, also tech news updates. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's dive in. As of February 2025, the foldable smartphone market is witnessing rapid advancements in design and technology, particularly concerning device thinness. The Honor Magic V3, unveiled at IFA 2024, currently holds the title of the world's thinnest commercially available inward folding phone. It measures just 4.35 millimeters when unfolded and 9.2 millimeters when folded, making it comparable in thickness to traditional flagship smartphones like the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is 8.2 millimeters thick. However, this benchmark is set to be challenged with the imminent release of the OPPO Find N5. Scheduled for launch on February 20th, 2025, the Find N5 is poised to become the world's thinnest book-style foldable phone. Teasers from OPPO suggest that the device will have an unfolded thickness approaching 4 millimeters, slightly thicker than a USB-C port, which measures 2.6 millimeters. This design achievement is attributed to OPPO's engineering innovations, including a titanium alloy hinge. Looking ahead, the competition in producing ultra-thin foldable devices is intensifying. Rumors indicate that Honor is developing the Magic Vive 4, expected to be announced in May or June 2025. While specific details are scarce, it's anticipated that the Magic V4 will surpass both its predecessor and the OPPO Find N5 in terms of thinness. Additionally, the device is likely to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and a 6,000 mAh battery, aligning with current flagship standards. These developments underscore a significant trend in the foldable smartphone market. Manufacturers are striving to create devices that are not only more functional and durable, but also remarkably thin. This evolution addresses previous concerns about the bulkiness and fragility of foldable phones, offering consumers sleek and reliable alternatives. So, what do you think about the Honor Magic V4? Please comment below. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my latest videos. See you in the next one. Bye.